Hello dear students, in the previous video we have seen Civics chapter 2. We will continue the same. We have studied about what is prejudice, what is stereotype, apartheid and discrimination. Now we will study about what is the constitution and their rights. What is the constitution? Constitution is a set of principles which clearly tell us the duties of the government and the rules by which the government will run the country. That is the Indian Constitution. India's leaders have written this constitution because in their life they have also faced some problems. So, Indian Constitution to keep peace in our country. So, let us see what are the rights given by our Indian Constitution, and we have our own rights to follow it. If we deny, we can apply to the court. So let us see in this video what is Indian Constitution and their rights. Video 2nd, part 2, Civics chapter 2. Let us learn about prejudice and diversity. Diversity and the Indian Constitution. Constitution is a set of principles which clearly tells us the duties of the government and the rules by which the government will run the country. The leaders who wrote our constitutions were concerned about the different inequalities. Some of the leaders had even faced social discrimination in their own life. So they set out to reach the goal of equality for all Indians. The Indian Constitution has given all Indians the following rights. Let us see about this. All Indians are equal before the law. No one can be denied justice or ill-treated. Every Indian is free to live, to travel anywhere within the country. Freedom has to be exercised responsibly without causing harm to others. No Indian can be exploited or forced to work. Means 18 age before, no child is forced to work. No child labor, no person made to work without pay, without the salary. Every Indian has the right to follow the religion of their choice. India is a secular country. All religions are equal before the law. And every community has the right to preserve and promote its own language, script and customs. Everyone is free to follow their language and also customs. A person can go to the court of law if he or she is denied any of these rights. Whatever rights I said, these rights if we don't get, we can apply to the court and we can get our justice. So, protect and show respect to India's diversity. All Indians are equal before the law. So, understand and respect the diversity. Thank you.